about today. We've been to Kmart, we've run some errands. Let me show you what I picked up. We got this watercolor art set, $8. Like, absolutely brilliant. We'll add that to our art cart. Later on in the week, we are going to go through Hallie's clothes and sort out all of the clothes that do not fit her anymore and put those away. My girl has hair, which means that we need a little water spray to do your hair. So that's going to go in her little hair caddy. I also got some of these small storage boxes because we've got a whole heap of batteries and things lying around. And I was like, how do I store these? So little storage box there for the batteries. I got the girl some sunglasses. Do you want to put those on? Yeah, you do. Oh, cool girl. Cool girl. I also got her some pairs of shoes. How cute are these ones? Little like cherries on the side. So cute. And then just a pair of white sneakers because our other ones are gross. They were both, these were 15 and these were 10. Just a notebook for me. A beauty sponge because mine is feral. And some mints for dinner tonight. Yeah. Two girls having their afternoon tea. Hallie's having her lunch, her Vegemite and cheese sandwich and her chocolate banana pancake. And she's quite happy. You finished?
Yeah.
Yeah? Will you eat your dinner tonight?
No.
Okay. We'll see how we go. This is a random place to film from, but I've set up this little corner in our house on our study desk with these little phone caddies here because, yeah, I was sick of being on my phone all the time or just having my phone with me around the house, and I wanted some place to actually put it, but intentionally put it. So now we hang up our phones when we get inside. Yeah. So we don't have to be on them all the time. And it's good because I have to physically walk to my phone to do anything. Welcome to the backyard. There are lots of things that we need to do in the backyard, this patio being one of them. I want like an outdoor space, an outdoor table that we can sit at, but like my dream is like a round 4 to 6 person table because I think that would fit this space really nicely. Otherwise, we've got Hallie's mud kitchen set up, her sand pit, her swing. The outdoor furniture is currently like dismantled because Andy is fixing up the fireplace area, but once he's done that, it's going to be perfect. You also just saw we have a lemon tree in our backyard. We planted that a few years ago, and this season it has just flourished something chronic. I have so many lemons that I cannot pick them all. I've ended up putting like a box of lemons on our letterbox outside to be like, passerby, please take the lemons because I have too many lemons. But we're just going to sit out here for a little bit, have a little play, and then we'll go inside, cook some pasta, and have some dinner. Hey? Good idea. Oh, can you see the birdie? Yeah. We need to put the water on. We also need some rain. But you're okay. Dinner is ready. How good does that look? Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. It's dinner time. You ready to have dinner? Yeah, we're ready to have dinner. Well, Andy's home, and I don't know if you can hear from the camera behind me, but they are currently in the bath. Well, Hallie's in the bath and Andy is bathing her. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here of our cozy afternoon, just making dinner and playing in the backyard. How delightful. I will see you tomorrow, friends. Bye.